Right guys, I've got a bit of watermelon here today and thought it'd be interesting to put some of this in there and see what I make of it. So let's just cut it. Okay, a bit of watermelon. So let's just slice it up a little bit so they can get all of it. A little bit of watermelon there, so let's chuck that in. So I've just picked up this stainless steel lantern from Morrison's, believe it or not, for £20. So we can put a tea light in there and it'll light up the pond. And I thought it'd be a nice little thing that to add to the pond. Let me know what you think. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. It's been really appalling recently in terms of the weather. But I've got a new sale here from Covers and All. I'll put links in the description box. What it is they do pretty decently made wind sails that are custom made. So any size you want, whether it be a triangle or a rectangle or a square, they can pretty much do it for you. And they do other accessories as well. To be honest with you, I think the accessories are a bit on the expensive side. However, the actual sail themselves are relatively inexpensive considering it's a custom size they make for you. And if there's a query regarding the size not being the quite dimensions, let's say you don't measure it correctly, they'll contact you again and ask you, is this okay? Because they'll give you an amended one for you to make sure it fits. So without further ado, let's have a look at the wind sail, how I put it on, how I've hooked it together, and you get to see how it's being put together. Okay. So here's the rectangle square that I've put up from Coverall. They do three colours. I think one's a grey, this is of a sort of beigey look, sandy look, and a green one I think they do. So I've put it together just using some standard rope and one of these O-rings attached to a hook there. You can see that. So moving over to this corner, same sort of thing, screwed it into the wood, there's a hook there, another O-ring. The reason I put them on O-rings is you can quite easily disassemble it if it gets a bit windy without having to muck about with the rope. So over here I've had to jury rig it a little bit, put a small hoop there, hook in there, attached to this to move it across, and then obviously it's attached to that hook there in the wood. Another O-ring there to attach that. Over here by the wall, I've just drilled that into the wall really, using a plug. Another hook is in there, attached the rope in there, and that makes it quite taut now. So as you can see, fully stretched out, and it gives me plenty of shade where my chair is here. I wanted there to be sufficient shade in this area here, as well as it would give a bit of shade towards the pond for the fish. So I just wanted to show you more or less how it's looking, how I put it together. Again, as you can see, it gives plenty of shade. So as you can see, I've put it up together and it seems to be quite sturdy. They do waterproof ones as well. So if you want one to protect you from the rain as well, and you don't want to go to the trouble of building a roof, obviously you can do that. So that's what I've been up to on the pond. I'll put links in the description box if you want to go and get hold of one of these yourself. As I said, they do waterproof ones, normal shade ones like this that will let sunlight through, and obviously it'll give us some shade on the water as well. So let's get some food and put it in the pond and see how the fish do. Here you go, fishies. So I'm just going to put the lantern handle on.